Welcome back to my channel. Stefan Wolf is here with another short video. A new sharpening stone for me from the Hungarian manufacturer HAIDU. This is from their HCJ series 600 grit. That's the European FEPA grit equivalent of the, let's try to focus, GIS 1200, which is around 12 to 9 microns. That's the packaging. Simple cardboard box, nothing fancy. In my opinion, good packaging. And this is the stone. Dimensions: 15 centimeters in length, 15 millimeters in thickness, and 38 millimeters in width. And one of the sides is rounded. You can see the profile. HAIDU HCJ 600. This is a granite plate, very close to machinist plate. For my use is good enough as flatness. Let's try how flat is the stone from the factory. So the sides here, nothing in the middle. Typically the two sides, the other side, you can see in the middle, nothing unexpected, very reasonably priced. This stone in Bulgaria is around 20 level, which is, let's say, 1150 US dollars. Handy stone. Let's check the surface. I'll try to focus. Good enough in my opinion. Of course, I will up the stone. The corners are chamfered. No chips, no nicks. Some inclusions. I will see in the future are they problem, but I presume they are not. So let's check how porous is the stone. Sorry about the shakiness. I'm trying to find a container and put some water in it. And in the background you hear that my cat is trying to demolish something. Unexpected. I was thinking that this stone is pretty porous. You can see the water is disappearing, but no bubbles. So in my opinion, a quick 5-minute soak will do the job as per sharpening procedure. Let's see the rate of drying. Yeah, 5 minutes will be enough. This stone is silicon carbide, so it's interesting to me. They have plenty of grits from 150 or 180 up to 8000, but I think the 4000 and 8000 are aluminum oxide, so let's say up to 2600 grit in silicon carbide. Hungarian, European made. it will be interesting. Stay tuned for warping video. Have a nice day.